What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at the UWANT B200 multiple steam spot cleaner. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit the like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and see what else you could do. Here we go. We get a mesh bag there, instruction manual, glove, the unit itself, and then the hose that comes with it. Boom. So just goes in there. This is on wheels, so it's really easy to handle. Very nice. To take off the hose, you gotta push on both sides and pull. There it is. On the other side, it has a retractable cord. There we go. Pretty long as well. There it is. And then if you want to wind it back, you just need to press the button and it'll bring all the cord back. Really easy. That's it. This little guy comes and get installed in the back right here, so that you can have wrap around your hose here. So the top here is really easy to take off as well for the water tank. There you go. So you just pull it out like so and fill up some water here. Just fill it up to the max here. Make sure that it's not over or else it could spill. And on the back here has a little latch that you can open for your cleaning solution. It says that the cleaning solution base can be filled up to 180. The cup that they give us goes up to 100 mils. So go ahead and fill it up like so, and then just pour it into the hole. With the little cup that they gave us, it's really easy to do it as well. And to put it back is pretty easy. You just have to latch it down like so. That's it. Once plugged in, just click the on button on the side. The standard mode, steam mode, and ironing mode is here as well. And if you want to use cleaning solution, you just click the button. You can also swap brushes on the head here. One is for leathers and one is just a normal brush so you can clean your carpet. So the UWANT B200 has 12 kPa suction, which is really good and really high capacity suction. It has high density brush and high pressure water, so dirt in the deep of the textile can be removed and the suction can realize fast drying. The second feature is that it has 4 modes. There's ironing mode, there is steam mode, standard mode, and cleaning solution mode. Under the steam mode, stains can be removed easily because of the 212 Fahrenheit steam. That's really hot. It's really good when you're taking out stubborn dirt and stubborn stains on your carpet. At the same time, it can sterilize the textile. Under the solution cleaning, the detergent and water can be mixed in perfect proportion automatically. You don't have to do any of that. It's mixed for you as you go. The next feature is the ironing mode, where you can use it as a steamer so that you can use the steam to take off wrinkles on your clothes. Next is self-cleaning function. You just click of a button, it'll clean the inside of the brush so that the dirt coming in, if there's something stuck there, you can clean that as well. It has a long power cord, universal wheel, and one press cord retraction. And the best part is that the dirty and the clean water tank is separate. Yeah. And it also has an independent solution tank. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new steamer, deep cleaner for your carpet as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. This is the UWANT B200. It just came out, so be able to check it out today. And make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.